welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, hello, I'm Nicole Khumalo and I post fashion try-on hauls as well as makeup tutorials and a bunch of other stuff on my channel. So if you want to see any of those, just click on all the other thumbnails that have my face on them, and if you like them you can click on the little red subscribe button down below, and that'll send all my videos to your subscription page when I post them. And if you want to get notified when I post them, just click on the little gray bell next to the subscribe button and that'll tell you exactly when I post a video. So today's video is something a little different. I've received a lot of comments about people asking about my hair, and I'm not really a hair person, but people want to know like what hair I use, how I like take care of my hair, all that fun stuff. So I thought I'd do a little quick video on like talking about my hair while I have my natural hair out. So if you want to see that video, then just keep on watching. Okay, so how I do my hair is I get it done by a certain lady. There's one specific lady, her name is Didi. She's been doing my hair for as long as I can remember. She's always the one doing my hair, like no matter what, I always go to her. So she uses Dark and Lovely on me. She's always used Dark and Lovely. I do relax my hair. So she uses those products and she relaxes it and everything like that, and then afterwards it looks like this. So this is like relatively fresh hair, okay? This is relatively fresh from Relax. I did my Relax last weekend and this weekend is the 16th, so it still looks pretty fresh. She just relaxed it. I don't know what else she puts in what else she puts in my hair, but she's been doing it for as long as I can remember, so I trust her, so I don't really check, but I do know that I use Dark and Lovely. And then after I relax it, as the weeks go by, I don't really put anything in it. Like I haven't put any product in this hair since I got it relaxed last weekend, so this is just fresh from Relax, nothing else. But if I do keep it out long enough for it to start looking a little dry or anything like that, I do use a couple of products. Okay, so I haven't really used any products in my hair since I got it relaxed, but if I do keep it out long enough for it to start needing some product, I use one of these three. So the first one is this Black Chick hair food. This is the coconut one. So the actual hair food is like a whitish color. It looks like this one. So this is how that one looks. I've just mixed in, okay, so I don't have any of the red stuff anymore. It is finished, but I mixed in some of that. I don't know if you know what it is. It comes in like a red color and a green color. It's an oil. It's got some like Indian names on them. Apparently they're really good for like giving your hair volume and growing your hair and all that stuff. So I mixed that into this, and that's why it's like a reddish color. But I use this because it's coconut scented and I like the smell of coconut. And then once that is finished, I use this olive oil one, hair food. It just says olive oil. This one's also been mixed in with some of that red stuff, but yeah, I use that as well. And then this new one that I haven't opened is called the ORS coconut oil hair food, and it's just a clear one. I haven't mixed anything with this one, so this one is like OG from the store. It smells amazing. I love the smell of coconut. So I usually just go between those three, and I'll give my hair a little bit of moisture if it's looking dry or anything like that. So those are the three that I rotate, you know, depending on how I feel. I don't really branch out much because my hair is not like, it doesn't need me to try new things, so I just kind of keep the same things. So yeah, that's all I can say. My hair, so let me show you. So that's my hair, that's the length. So that's how long my hair is. This is my natural hair. I've had it since I got my hair in 2011, which was quite a while ago, but it grew back pretty quickly and it's quite full. I've always just had a full head of hair, so I don't really do anything for fullness or stuff like that. I'm guessing it's just the products that the lady uses. But yeah, this is my natural hair. I don't really do much to it. That's all I really have. Those are the products that I use. And yeah, okay, so now we're gonna move on to my purchased hair. Okay, so the hair that you usually see me wearing in my videos, the one with the what is it called, ombre, the ombre hair, it's this Balazara hair. So this is how this hair looks. You've seen it quite a few times on me. So this hair I got my matric dance. I got this hair for my matric dance, which was in 2015, and my mom and my dad bought this hair for me so I could wear it to my matric dance. So I've had it since then, and this hair is by far the best hair that I've purchased ever, like in my whole life of purchasing hair. The best, like it's the most well kept hair that I've had since. It's honestly the only hair that I've ever had that's still looking so gorgeous and so, like, this looks fresh, okay? And I've had it since 2015, so you can just imagine how long that is, and it still looks so new. Like, it looks fresh from the store. So Balazara is a store that's on Ilovo Drive, which is in Rosebank, I believe, at the Trumps Mall. It's not a mall, it's like a shopping center. It's called Trumps, and Balazara is like a little hair boutique that's located there. And as much as this is the best looking hair and the most well kept hair that I have, it is also the most expensive hair that I've ever purchased. And by purchased, I mean that I've ever gotten. So I didn't purchase it myself, but it is definitely the most expensive hair that I've had ever, and it's the best quality hair ever. Okay, so they sell hair in individual bundles. That's how the store works. So this would be one bundle, and I think this is about a 20 or a 22 inch, and they would sell this one bundle alone. And in 2015 when I purchased it, I think I paid about 2.1 for each packet. Each packet has one single bundle like this, so that would be 2.1, that would be 2.1, and you need like 3 packets to make a full head. So I spent about 5k because I got 2 22s and then 1 18, just to kind of, because it was quite expensive. So this is the 18. It's the same, it's all Brazilian, but this one doesn't have the ombre at the bottom, so it just kind of like blends in really nicely. For all the hair I spent about 5.5k for all that hair, and that was in 2015, so it's probably like super expensive right now, but it is honestly the best hair that I've ever purchased. And because of the quality of the hair, I wouldn't mind going back and getting more hair, because I already have this one. You just kind of, if you can, maybe like buy one bundle every other month. That way it doesn't feel like you're spending so much money on a head of hair, because if you buy like a bundle every 2 months or so, you can have a full head in about 6 months, which will be like, it won't feel like you're spending 5.5k or however much it is now all at once. Okay, so that is a whole head of hair on its own from Balazara. Love it, it's my favorite hair. And then I have another head of hair from a store called Exclusive Version Hair, I believe that's what they're called. I will link their social media, the social media for the brands that I can find. I will definitely leave them down below. So I bought this, I think it's 12 or 14 inch hair from this brand. It's called Exclusive Version Hair, and how they work is that they sell their hairs in like little combos. So they'll sell 3 bundles plus closure for a certain amount, nothing close to how much you would pay at Balazara for a full head. So you can get like a 21 inch at this place, you can get 3 bundles and closure for like 2.5. So their prices are really affordable. But I bought this one, it came with a closure as well, and this was I think 2k with the closure. So this is how it came, and then it came with this closure, I believe, It's just a small piece of hair. I do have 2 closures, but I'll show you the other one just now. I don't really like the quality of this hair. I don't like how it looks on me. I don't know, maybe it's just because I know the only hair that I've known since I've been buying hair is Brazilian, so I just kind of always go back to that. So I don't know, maybe I should try the Peruvian because a lot of people like their hair. A lot of people buy from them, and their hair looks great on their social media. But I didn't really enjoy, like, this compared to the Bella Zara is not the same. This is the Brazilian that I know, and then I got this one, and you can just see, like, this one's really rough, not as smooth. Like, this one is like silky smooth, and just it's amazing, this hair. And then this one's kind of rough. It doesn't really look like the other Brazilian that I know, so I'm not really a fan. It still looks nice when I wear it, but I enjoy it a lot less than I do the Bella Zara one. And then here's the closure. I haven't put it on yet because the lady that I do my hair actually can't really do it. Well, she can, but I really enjoy having my own hair at the top. But it's a 3-part closure, and the hair looks really nice. It's the same, it's Brazilian just like the other one, but I haven't worn it, so you can see how new this looks. It looks really nice, almost like the Bella Zara one, but not quite. And then from the same brand, I've purchased this closure. So this, I think, is a 16-inch. I'm not quite sure, but I think so. This is 16-inch lace front closure. I have worn this one. I had it over Christmas. So if you saw my Christmas vlog, the hair that I have in that video is this closure on top. So this is how it looks. Again, it is Brazilian. Well, that's what they told me when I purchased it, but it doesn't feel like the Bella Zara one. It feels like the other Brazilian that I bought from them. So I'm thinking next time maybe I should try the Peruvian and see how I like that one. Hopefully I'll go buy from them again soon. I definitely want to get a wig, so that's the only difference from the hairs. The next purchase, I definitely want it to be a wig because I just feel like it's easier to wear a wig. I've always wanted one. Well, I've wanted one for quite some time now, and my sister just recently bought one for herself, so I definitely now want it more. So this is how the closure looks. It goes all the way around the front of your head. So, and it's like a freeway, so you can that's what they call a freeway part. So you can open it wherever you want. You can kind of flip it over and not really have a line, but like you can have, like, you see, it's really nice, natural looking, super lovely, but it's very thick and voluminous. So if you like that, you can totally go get that. But yeah, that's all I have on my hair. I've received a lot of comments asking for a hair video, so I really hope I answered most of your questions. If you have any other questions that I haven't answered, just leave them down below. I'll be sure to answer them in the comment section. And yeah, I can also do a follow-up video when I get the new hair and then show you before and after, like, things. So because I'm gonna go get a wig, I'll show you the wig just after I've bought it, and then I'll show it to you as I wear it. I'll just kind of tell you how it's wearing and things like that. So yeah, I really hope this was helpful. I hope I answered your questions. If you have more, just leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm very active on all 3 of those. Also, I have a Facebook page, so if you want my videos sent to your Facebook feed, then you can just like the page. It's just called Nicole Khumalo YouTube. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!